In section 7.4, we talked about the properties of similar polygons. And similar polygons and similar triangles do have the same properties, it's just the different amount of sides. So in similar polygons, we have learned that their corresponding angles are congruent, meaning the angles that match up with each triangle are the exact same measure. And we learned that the measures of the corresponding sides are proportional. And proportional just means that if I took this big triangle, I shrunk each single side the exact same amount so that I can get a shape that has almost the same dimensions but are just smaller. So if we look at questions 1 and 2, it says, determine whether each pair of polygons is similar. And in order to do so, we're going to create some ratios. We're going to create some fractions. Now, if I'm going to always start with this bigger triangle here. And I'm just going to start with the base. It does not matter. And this base, or the number 8, is going to be in a ratio with the number 5, because the number 5 is also the base of the other triangle. Now, I'm going to set that equal to, and I'm going to put a question mark above it because I don't really know if it's going to be equal yet. And I'm going to pick another side to work with. So let's just say I want to work with the hypotenuse. So my two hypotenuse, remember my bigger triangle number is always going to go on top, whereas my little number will go on bottom. Now, I could even do one more side because I am given all 3 measures. So I'm going to put another equal sign with a question mark, go back to my big triangle, start with 15, compare 15 to side 12. Okay? Now, in order for these 2 triangles to be similar, in order for them to be similar, I want to simplify each of those fractions to see if I get the exact same decimal. And I'm going to use the division bar. So this is going to be 8 divided by 5, which gives us 1.6. Okay, and I'm wondering, is that going to be equal to 17 divided by 13, which is 1.3? And already I can tell that they're not similar, but I'm going to try one more fraction, 15 divided by 12, which is 1.25. So unless all 3 of those fractions simplify to be the exact same number, then these polygons are not similar because they are not proportional.